First year is just general science. Second year is general biology. And the zoological aspects come into the course in the third and fourth year. So in third and fourth year, the modules that students would take would be entomology, parasitology, biological conservation, animal diversity and animal behaviour. And in addition to that, what students would do is they would also undertake a work experience. So every year we have 30 to 40 students go and undertake work experience options, not only in the UK, but sometimes in Europe and sometimes other parts of the world. At the end of their degree program, students have to undertake a double module, which is a research project. One of the research projects that I have students working on this year involves these things here. So these are honeybees. So everybody's aware that there's been a huge decline in honeybee numbers globally, linked to a number of factors, including the use of agrochemicals on farmland. I have a student this year who's investigating foraging behaviour in relation to exposure to insecticides. The key features of the programme are practical work, including lots of field trips, real outdoor field biology. That's what we pride ourselves on doing with the students. The second thing is academic staff spend lots of time with students. So we're very much a teaching-led group of individuals, and we interact with students and we give them lots of time, help with their coursework, help with data analysis, all of the skills, all of the generic skills that you need for future employment as a scientist. Some graduates will go on to undertake research, to undertake master's programs and then PhD programs. Other individuals have gone on to work in either the public or the private sector. So in Scotland, of course, we have the Scottish Environmental Protection Agency, big employer of environmental science graduates. We also have students go and work in the private sector. So in the case of my subject area is pests and pest management, I had students last year get employment with Rentokil, for example. We have students go and working in the fish farming industry, which is big down the west coast of Scotland, of course. And we have students go and work in many of the country parks as country rangers on the west coast of Scotland.